Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn on your hotspot on iPhone. And for this we go to settings, and then right now you will see here the option Personal Hotspot. Then right here we click on allow others to join, and from here you will see some things that you need to know. So to connect using Wi-Fi, choose iPhone Tommy from the Wi-Fi settings on your computer or device and enter the password. People can also connect to your hotspot with Bluetooth, and one of the settings needs to turn off. So when Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is turned off, it's difficult to join. But right now, if we turn this one on and someone is seeing my iPhone Tommy personal hotspot, click on that, fill in this password, and after this, he will definitely can connect with your personal hotspot. So this is exactly how this works, and if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.